Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me.
So guys, this is an update on site number 1. Here, so I go cover up the block off. Kind of makes sense. Staircase. Second half of the slab is being reinforced. This is one of them guys here, best work I've ever seen thus far. Nice. And nice doesn't mean that it only looks good, but the arrangement of the steels. Profile boards are up. Backhoe coming soon. Casting Thursday. So guys, the electrician and the plumber is on site, but I can't stay no longer. I have to run out because I have an appointment right now, and tomorrow I can't get to come on the site here. I go on a different site, and then I go back to something the site which I might film, and yeah, we have to run out right now, so see you tomorrow. I think I get a haircut today based on my hair look. I try include that in our schedule as well, but boy, I don't know. The days them just I get shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. I don't know how, but the days them literally I get shorter. And by the time I wake up at night, plus them curfew thing here, mash up, kick on my foot, brother, kick on my. I can't even eat nowadays, brother. Like the supermarket closed, every restaurant closed, everything locked down. Not even jerk man them, I see. Morning again, team Ismash. Welcome back to the show where we're focusing on the trench for the retaining wall on that side. I mean that tell them go a long time ago.
come right, you put this money so. Go ahead, Steve. Let me say sit down. Right, that's what you tell man. Yo!
Yeah guys, so I think this wrap up today. We're gonna cast tomorrow, therefore after them finish put up the backup boards for the slab, we should be clear to pour concrete. Premix come to that and give their own estimate, even though we gave them the amount of cubic yard we're gonna need already. So plumber just gone, and yeah, I guess tomorrow we'll continue this vlog and we'll be casting, and then that will conclude this vlog. Still a good job for about 4 vlogs back to back, and hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Yes sir. Good morning again, team Ismash. Welcome to day 3 of the vlog. My girl are with cook, and the slab is being cast today. So it's a rather big day, nothing too much, you know. What you want me to do? And there we go, concrete. She for the machine.
Come here. Put your waist down. Put your waist down. Go hold me hand.
Hold your hand?
Yes.
Hold on. You sure you want to walk there?
Put on your pot first. Give me the cover. Put on your pot yourself. You can't reach it. See it here.
Hey, let's do it on the stairs.
Oh boy. Hold on, don't. Alright. See what we're going to do.
I have a pump out that to get the little soft part. Go on the shovel to spread it off, man. Sorry, Dad. Yeah, bring the water hose from drop lick up on it there. Stop and move before we get the soft part. Let's take it out. Let's carry it forward there. Yeah, don't put too much water on it there. Carry it on top. It's our road with the phone off. It's a lot of thing, man. How would I talk it? Let's chew our front, man. Let's chew our front, man. Let's pull out the front with it. I'm pounding it. I might use this something and stamp it. Let's move what they are your foot, man. Behind you, so we can pump out to get to the soft concrete. Yeah, make it pile up there so it's harder for go. Yeah, man, you can try it go sideways anyway, man. You might come with the wire. You go now, you make a wire, man. 4 hands. Have the wire in your hand ready. Me? Me take care of Katie film if you know. If you want to mash up himself, me take care of Katie film. Me know what's that, man. Look after yourself. You don't look after yourself, man. You always offer my service. bounce side, man.
I'm not trying to know about. Yeah, keep it black.
Old school. More them have vibrator.
In a room full of stars.
Turn that little sharper, man. You have to turn it, killer. That's why you lift it up. Channel it. No, you see what I said them trying to get you over there. Rhea! Beg him softly, lick up more, yeah? I know it's not coming. That look good. No, go over there, so yes, you over that side and you can drive. No, go that way, the front way, dada. You can't shove the back way. Yeah, man. Put the money in the side concrete. What a water boat, my lad. Take some more and just shove it in my hole. And then you see it go back way. A time for move it, you see it? Killer. When you see it run back way, move the hole some right there. Alright. Yo, hold on, we are draw back some of the hole. Make it go and drain now. Drain it and drain it. Come to the nigga. That's why I left enough make them can draw. Alright, I left that space there now, nigga. Let me cover that with concrete. I draw back again. Hold on, make sure them not want. Yeah, man. Alright, them have enough to draw back. Yo, if you say you want to go up, right? Yo, when you have the hose, you know, pile up, man. Just watch me now. Push it over the steel. Just push over the steel. Yeah. And then you take it back over when you're done. Just try to give them just the right amount. Let's work with them. Make it touch the card, you know, man. Concrete touch the card. Alright, come over back, come over. Hang me hand on my lad.
Tie up one. So this is from yesterday. As I can see, trench start cut out now for the footing of the retaining wall. to go right down there, so you see pegs them right there, so and come back on the building. Some of that I figure remove. I think I'm gonna do one vlog on this retaining wall because that's something I have to do right now. Concrete all over me. Alright, easy opportunity here. Yes. Four trucks. What left in a hopper? Yeah, team, I Smash will wind down the day to what time now? Late in the evening, and we are try beat it before curfew. So all I took them going, everybody going, guys, and just a wrap up. I wash off. Me have somewhere for run go to right now. And if you guys have made it this far in the vlog, check to see if you guys have liked the vlog as yet or subscribe. You guys, it is pertinent. It is pertinent. Team I Smash see you guys in the next vlog. We're on a road. Just know, join the family. Team Ismash, I am out.